Morning all. Up at the garage today, servicing a Vito van. Picked up a load of bits. Check this out. Guy I know was having a garage clearance, so I gave him some money. And he gave me all this lot. 2 presses, stand-up drill over there, axle stand, compressor, snap-on MIG welder, big parts washer, cartridge diesel jet washer, and I said I'd throw the dryer away from him. So yeah, I'm gonna have a play with this lot later. But for the minute, I'm working with this happy dude. Morning. Thank you. Had to have a little swap around with some motors. Can't get back in now, have to do some climbing. Jamie helped me this morning pick all this crap up, didn't you? Yeah. You're good to me like that, aren't you? Hang on. This is the parts washer, check this out. Don't know if it works or not, but put like a cylinder in there or whatever. That comes off. I reckon you'll get a block in there, maybe. I wonder if you can lower that bit down. Yeah, and it's got these jets and it obviously sprays loads of hot watery stuff. I don't really know. Have a play later. They don't know if it works. That works apparently, so see if I can get that working later. No. Oh, my legs hurt. Servicing this at the minute. 2018 Vito. And it's also during auto box service because it's its first B service. So yeah, I want to crack on. Pan off. Filter off. Caught the oil. Measure how much comes out. All genuine Merc stuff. Absolutely covered in oil. Look at my floor. And me. I think it's on my face as well. I felt a bit go in my beard, I think. Meh. Part of the job. Well, Jamie's just cleaned out the pan. Let's change some bits, shall we? What have we got in here? That's the filter. That's the filter. That's the filter. Got all the oil as well. New gasket. We've got the bolts for the pan as well, which is handy. Yeah, getting there. Up it goes. It's got like a little sleeve in here, and you have to change it. Where's the old sleeve in the drainer? So it's got like a sleeve that clips in there, so you undo the drain plug, punch the sleeve inside the gearbox, all the fluid drips down, and then you catch all the fluid in like a bowl, pour it all away, and then, where is it? Oh yeah, it's in the funnel. It's in there, look, I dropped it in the funnel. That little sleeve, you push that inside the box, and then you have to make sure you fish it out, because God knows what will happen if you don't. So, I'm passenger now. Old Ollie Bob's driving. I finished that van, I just dropped it off, and Ollie is kindly, yeah, put your belt on, man. What's wrong with you?
We only just left. Give it a break.
Trying to set a decent example to the people on YouTube here, and you go driving with a fag hanging out your mouth and no seatbelt. Take? No. So yeah, I dropped the van off and Ollie's kindly given me a lift back. We're going to go get my recovery truck because it's still got all that stuff on the back of it, and then I'm going to get it all off down the unit. And then Ollie, because I don't know if you know this about Ollie, but he's not a mechanic full-time. Ollie's a builder full-time, and he's doing a roof on a house? A roof on a, yeah, well, yeah, obviously I was on a shed, I don't know, a garage. He's doing a roof on a house, and I don't even know what the term is.
Just putting a whole new roof.
A whole new roof on it. I was trying to be all technical, reboarding, felting, rejoisting it. That's the word I was looking for. So they're rejoisting the whole roof. Oh, horses. Sorry. Oops. So yeah, he's rejoisting the whole roof, and because a couple of the joists were rotten, and obviously that customer was like, no, just do the whole lot. So they pulled all the joists off, and most of them are right, like 95% of the joists are okay, and they're just gonna bin them. So like, his boss was like, come get them, you can have them. So we're literally gonna offload the recovery truck, go down there with the recovery truck, and then we're gonna just get them. They're obviously gonna need, like, gonna have nails in them and stuff like that, aren't they? So they're gonna need like all the nails pulling out and stuff, but it's free timber, and for a farm unit to build a little man cave upstairs, it's just what I'm after. So that's what we're going to do now. I want to see if I can get the jet wash working as well, like the hot wash thing. So yeah, cool, let's go. Yeah, so he weren't kidding when he said he could get me some wood. Look at all that lot. More on his roof. Well, not a lot more. It's quite a crap really compared to that lot. So now, just the easy task of offloading all that wood, and so it don't clutter up here. It's my new storage area upstairs. At least the spotlight's come on now. That's handy. Let's crack on. Mate, I am sweating and it is freezing cold out here as well, you know. You can't even see all this wood really, but I think I've piled it a bit higher there because if that shelf falls over it's going to go through the side of the asbestos, but oh well. Alright, stealing my truck. Got 4 more lengths on the roof of his van, and then yeah, where's he going in? Don't know my recovery truck now. Again. Right, I'm getting down. Morning. There is only one way to start the day. Right, today I'm down the farm. As always, I'm always down the farm. Well, I'm not always down the farm, but today I'm down the farm. And the plan today is, I haven't really got a plan. I'm just gonna kind of like tidy up a little bit because as always, this whole place is a bit of a shed. And I've got loads of wood upstairs, so I'm gonna denail some wood and then gonna start building some walls. Yeah. Morning. Right, let me show you upstairs. This is the way up, by the way. Haven't got a staircase yet. Oh, I can a lot more light up here. Last time I was up here, it was like pitch black, so it's a lot better now. God, look at these nails. So yeah, this is the load of wood that Ollie kindly got me off of a roof. He stripped a roof because he's a builder, and rather than chuck it in the skip, he's like, "Do you want it? I'll put it to one side." I was like, "Yeah, no worries. If it's free, it's free." So I've just been denailing it to make it a bit more usable. Hence all the crap here. Need to have a bit of a tidy up. Throw these nails away. And then hopefully I'm going to use this wood to make this back wall. And maybe that wall. See how much wood I've got, I don't really know. I'm just going to start building it and see what happens. So yeah, let's crack on. So in true to form, Ginger's shown up. Ginge, don't run away. What happened, mate?
Got excited.
He was like, "Don't worry, I've got some milk. We can have some coffees." Yay! That is gonna.
So much. That's why.
That is gonna absolutely stink.
You need to get a hose.
A hose? There's one there. It's already got water coming out of it. Excuse me, dear sir. Can I borrow your hose?
Now the floor's gonna be wet though.
Yeah, I know. You need to unkink it and then water will come out of it, or walk away. Where are you going? It's on. It's kinked. Oh, it's blown off then. Just push it on. It's a hose. Oh, he didn't half make life hard, didn't he? Right, I'm going to have a sweep up. Right, so I'm going to get back to denailing all this wood. This is my dump pile. And this is the pile I've got left to do. And Ollie's on his way down, so hopefully I can convince him to give me a hand, start making the wall. So then I can start tidying this place up a little bit more and get this office done. So yeah, let's crack on. Ginger's trained well, as you can see. Coffee's gone cold. Getting there. We've done quite a lot, you know. We're well over halfway. Still got shed loads more to go. The thing is as well, once we finish denailing that, piling it up, we might have to actually start piling it up back here, because that pile's going to get too high, isn't it? Or even on the other side. Because we need to move all that crap away from the wall so we can start building them walls. That's the idea anyway. Right, let me grab a tool. So, not that you can see, because it is very, very dark. One stud wall, kinda. It's a bit wobbly, but it's up there. What do you expect second-hand bowed wood? Yeah. Well, I'm impressed with that.
Some were bowed.
Some were bowed. Yeah, wink, wink, nudge, nudge. That's well alright. Pin right to the ceiling, pin to that. Should have taken all that down, but can't bother. Just build in front of it. Now, just got to build one along that side.
That's insulation, that is.
Insulation?
Sound insulation.
Yeah, that's what we're going to do. Pack that out of insulation. I like it. How much is insulation? Is it a lot of money?
No, you can get it cheap.
Can you?
Go to the right places.
Oh, right, okay. Right.
When you're doing it though,
Yeah. You're not going to be here. Well, it's itchy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll leave you.
Fair enough. Right, let's crack on. So, I have been at work all day, and I come down the farm to find 3 musketeers. There's one of them. They've been very busy. Unbeknown to me. Look at that. That's getting there, isn't it? Run out of wood to this wall, but don't worry about that. Door here. That's right, isn't it?
We ran out of enthusiasm.
Oh, run out of enthusiasm. What's the time? About 8:30, isn't it? 8:30, 8:45? 8:30. There you go. It's 8:30. So they've run out of enthusiasm. Ginge brought some strip light up. So they've built the stud wall. They moved all the crud over there. Finished that stud wall. We got to about there, and then I left. And now I've come down here. Look, all the way along, down to there. And then they put the stud wall up here. Now let me step back so you can see a bit better. Look at that. Be some beers flying around at New Year, isn't there? Doorway here, little landing here, and then hopefully there's enough room here to put like the ducts going down into the dino cell to let fresh air in. I'm impressed with that. Cheers, guys. Need to sort out something with this stairway as well, because this ladder ain't cutting it, is it? Huh?
Just fall off.
Fall off, yeah. Cool. Right, I think that'll do for this video. It's been a bit long-winded now, so I'm going home. Yeah, till next time. Bye.